how to show or hide the www dot or .com key in keyboard for web address input on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Layout. From here, we go down to the Web Address Input section and then tap on the www.com toggle button to turn it on or off. If we turn this on and you go and open up the web browser, here you can see there is a www key. You can tap on it, that will input it automatically into the address bar, and after that the .com buttons becomes available in the web address bar. Okay, so this will only shows when you go to the web address bar. If you go to other text field, then it will not shows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.